In tea industry, there is a post called the tea tasters whose job is just to taste 200 to 300 cups of tea every single day. Apart from the formal qualifications, these tea tasters are supposed to possess extraordinary sense of mindful presence, with the taste buds so active, olfactory nerves so sharp to distinguish the tastes and fragrances between different tea samples in order to maintain high quality standards. Similarly, in our life, every one of us, you and me including, we are working as self appointed time tasters. Who is a time taster? One who fully understands the value of time, who appreciates the purpose, meaning, and value of each moment, who is mindfully present in every action and looking forward to a very qualitative life. Our whole life, my friends, is nothing but momentary events and experiences flowing in time, like a string of pearls or like a string of beautiful flowers. Each moment and experience tied to the next moment and next experience, moving with the eternal flow of time. Sometimes in our life, we feel that in spite of our best efforts, we are unable to achieve the desired milestones. We have the people, things, resources, but still we are unable to reach our goals. Why? This is so because most of us don't realize that we easily succumb to time wasters and disruptions, which take away more than 50% of our energy, efforts, and resources. And as a result, we lose our focus in life. We don't even accept the fact that we waste a lot of time every single day watching too much of TV, social media, mobile time, net surfing, gossips, politics, movies, excessive workouts, mindless shopping, and whatnot. Some people even try to justify that after a day's hard work, they want to unwind. They want to have me time so as to detox their mind. Please tell me how it will help in detoxing when you spend your time on more toxic things, when you feed your mind with more negativity. A research study says that we spend almost 25 years of our lifespan in sleep alone. We spend 9 years in watching TV, nearly 5 years in driving vehicles, and 2 years in the bathrooms, 6 years on cooking, and 4 years on eating. The study says that apart from spending time for essential things like work, travel, sleep, eating, exercise, relaxation, entertainment, and so on, still we spend 4 to 5 hours daily on time wasters. Because of these time wasters, we even forsake some more important things in life, like spending quality time with parents, children, exchanging pleasantries with friends, reading good books, spirituality, and self improvement. In fact, of late a new trend has set in. Due to societal pressures, people constantly put up with an image of being busy, even though they are actually not. Just like any other bad habit, we can break this habit of wasting time through mindful engagement and practically working on each time waster, analyzing its pros and cons. For example, in case you are wasting 20 hours in a week, say 4 hours per day, watching movies and serials and TV, just remember it is equivalent to doing a part-time job, a consultancy, which will augment your family's income, or doing a charity, teaching poor children. So let us change our identity from one of time wasters to one as time tasters. A time taster is a person who is mindful of each moment of his life, relishes every sip of time, consciously adding value to his everyday existence. He carefully avoids and eliminates procrastination and the clutter the clutter in workplace as well as in the mind, so that you create more space, more time, and add more value and meaning to your life. How to become a time taster? First of all, learn to say no to time wasters. Firmly tell your mind, no, I have better things to do. Strictly follow clear time frame for each activity, whether it is watching TV, time for social media, net surfing, or friends, or even at work. Set timelines to engage and to disengage. Analyze each event, each association, and your interaction with people in situations. Ask yourself whether what you are doing presently is beneficial to your growth, whether it is useful to your family or the organization you are working for, whether it will take you nearer to your goals in your life. Surround yourself with people generating positive energy. Connect with the right people, with right ideas at the right time. They decide the quality of your life. Friends, the main obstacle for time testers is procrastination. It is a tendency to postpone doing things. In Indian connotation, we call it tamasic mind, the lazy, lethargic mind that wants to delay things. Whenever procrastination sets in, just to change the gear, take up a simpler task first to circumvent a monotonous one. Convince your mind into believing that the get going is easy. Break the bigger tasks into smaller ones and persuade your mind to perform and to excel. Give yourself a strong reason as to why you must keep going. Some incentive, some reward, some motivation to do things with a zeal that will lead you to the finish line. And when you successfully identify and eliminate the time wasters, when you overcome your procrastination and remove the mind's clutters, you are able to focus in the present. You become a time taster and you start sipping and enjoying every moment of your life. Happy times.